All right, the custom cabinetry is arriving. I can't believe it. What a day. The construction is moving forward. There's Vic. There's Vic out there. He's the one keeping everybody on track. I'm the old mofo sleeping in the house. Let me show you all this. They're delivering my cabinets. What's happening? Yeah, man, I'm triple vax. I'm triple vax. Man, I can't believe my cabinetry. Lord, ain't this wonderful, you guys? See, they delivered my custom cabinetry for the outdoor room. We are moving ahead thanks to Ken Matthews, Victor Allen. My buddies have been helping me while I was dealing with these health issues, and they have made sure things have gone along. Look at what they do. What would I be without my friends? So I want to see the construction is happening. It's wonderful. Let's take a look at what's happening in this yard. Ken Matthews working out his wonders for his boy. Look at my buddies. This is what they may do that I could not do. We get in there. We are getting there. And I'm walking. Look at this. I'm walking. No cane. What's happening, my man?
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, how you doing?
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Look at this gorgeous wonder that I get. Look at this. Look at this. Ah, yes. Wonderful, my brother.
Inside?
Wonderful, my brother. Oh, yeah. See, this is the shower. This is wonderful. And he's about to do the floor. He's evening out the concrete on the floor so we can do the laminate. So this is what's happening. This is the beauty. I'm ready, man, and I'm making sure I'm ready to take care and compensate my workers because they work hard. They work hard and earn everything. Thank you. Thank you. You make a dream come true for me. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going to go have my coffee.